Alright guys, so we got a package from Funko. We got a package. So let's see what's alright, so here it is. Open it up. This is a Funko order directly from Funko's website. So we'll cut open and see inside the box. It's a pretty big box, but I've had a bigger one. I've had it bigger. So crack it open. So first up we got this. So let's see this. Alright, we're gonna open it up. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Alright, so here we got 2 Lord Krylar Funko Pops. Ant-Man and the Wasp. Alright, you wanna pull out the next thing? Don't look. Yeah, go. And you got Bugs Bunny soda.
Okay, this is actually mine.
This is his Bugs Bunny soda. Alright, we're gonna open this at the end of the video. Next thing we got is this awesome thing. The Spider-Man 300 comic cover. This one's awesome.
Yo!
And then we're gonna pull out the last thing. The last thing. Look out.
That's stitch in the back of
That's stitched in the back of keychain. So let's get everything together. So we got this. Let's mix it in. We got this, these, and this. So here's what we got. Let's crack the soda open and take this out of the box. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's see what's on the chase. Get closer. Let's see. He's all about these chases. I don't think he's gonna get it though. The chase isn't blocked, but he's not gonna get it. I'm gonna open it. Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Oh wow, this is hard.
It's already changed.
Holy moly. Okay, wait. We're not looking at the pog.
No, you don't even.
Okay, we're not looking at the pog. Let's shake it.
It's probably
Shake it and see. This is hard. You got it? Okay, it's the common. You can tell. Is it flopped? Is it flopped?
What is flopped mean?
It has a. It feels like something. Yeah, it's the common.
Wait, we don't know that. Hey, what do you use that?
So here is the Bugs Bunny soda.
Guys, you know what to use
Oh,
that?
Mom. Look at that.
What do you use?
Chase?
Oh no, they're right here.
Oh, wait, no. The ears are here. Oh. Oh, you have to like build them.
Oh, but they don't fit in the soda.
Because it doesn't fit.
Not me.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
Here you go. Let's check out the pog. See? Here are the instructions. Here are the instructions. Right. Just snap them in there. Alright, here's the
I
pog.
can't. They're too hard. Rocco, I can't.
1 out of 8,400.
Rocco, I can't. They're too hard.
Can't?
I'm probably you.
I'll do it.
No, you can't. Huh?
There we go. Here he is, fully assembled.
He's so cool. It's
Yeah,
so
he is cool.
And look, the cave moves.
Oh, don't play with the cake like that. So this one's almost all these are WonderCon. So let's check out the next thing. Alright, so yeah, that's that. Let's check out the cover. Okay, I need to just scooch it. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take them out of the box.
Wait.
I know how to open mine.
No, you don't. You do not know how to open the boxes.
Yes, I do.
Did you have your cart?
Yes.
We're gonna take off the sticker because there's saran wrap.
Look at this.
No.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do with the sticker? Should we put it on the box on here? We're gonna put it on there. Wait. So let's rip this off. This is such a cool color. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. That's awesome.
And look at this wobbly.
Look at that. It's clean. So the next thing you want to look at is Lord Krylar. Oh, here he is. There's Lord Krylar.
A bad guy.
And let's check out the Stitch.
He's an old man. He's an old man like you. And can I?
There he is.
So this is everything.
Well, that's what he got. He got all the best stuff.
No, I didn't.
I should have had one more thing, but Funko didn't send it. Because they weren't feeling like putting it in the order. I guess.
Shit.
They did not feel like putting it in the order. So I wonder what they're gonna do on that. Either way, here's what we got. What was yours? Favorite things?
My favorite?